Today in this video we will discuss about enterprise applications. What are the applications we can use in ERP? So first one is focused on its cost. What are the enterprise focused in the cost? How it will be focused on the cost? For example, one system rather than multiple systems. Just same thing as I told you before in the overview of the ERP, enterprise resource planning. When all the data will be centralized in one computer, then what is the use of multiple computers? So that's why I am saying one system rather than multiple systems. Same thing about the training also. If all the things will be trained by one system, that means we use only one system which have the quality of cross functionality. Means that every department can trained by one system only. It don't use for the different department have different training, so it will be trainings for one system rather than the multiple systems. So third one is included numerous functional areas like CRM, accounting and HRM. Means that every department have different work are there. Okay, so every functional areas will be stored in one place so that every department can communicate with each other very easily. There is no use to go to other department person, or there is no use to mail other department persons. You can communicate very easily, so the cost will be decreases. Next one is design to system as a model. So all the systems will be on the one computer that will be used as the model, so every person can use very easily that system. So here next application will be total visibility. Total visibility, you can write, you can see all department will be connected with each other in one system. That means every department persons have access to take all the things from the computer. So all things, all data will be transparent for everyone. There will be no hidden things from the departments, so that every person can take the all the things. So all department data entry access, all company information in centralized locations also, increase collaboration tracking for maximum efficiency, and you can see full complete pictures at any moment from that system only. Okay, next application is improved reporting and planning. So in the ERP, single reporting systems for every systems. Means that single time you already report someone in one system. That means that report for every persons. You don't no need to give reporting for every person, just report one place. So this application will be used for everyone. That report will be going to every departments. Okay, all company information will be centralized also. Anytime generate any report. What type of report you want, you can generate from this system anytime without any hassle. Comparison between interdependent is easily. Okay, so all the things you can do by the systems. That will be improved reporting and planning. Next one is complete customization. Complete customization means modular are make up by your facilities. Means that whatever functionalities you want to use, you can get from that system. You can change that system model according to your needs. So this is called the complete customization. Next one is improved efficiency. That will be reduced IT cost, training cost, time and system or efforts. Like how it will be improve the efficiency, like same thing as I told you before. What are the benefits are there? If any work will be completed by one system, then what is the use of multiple systems to do same work? The same thing will be here in IT department. So you can see, if you are giving one time training for everyone, so there is no use to give multiple times training for different departments, because this system is a cross functionality systems. So that system is used for everyone. There is no change for anyone. So like this you can improve your efficiency. Next one is customer services. All the facilities are coming very easily, so that your customer also satisfied very well about from your product. So this is customer services also improved. Next one is data security and quality. Data security by authorities. All the authorities have some security things which will be used for the data will be secure. Single reporting makes accuracy, consistency and unambiguous and security. So this is also used for the data security. Next one is improved collaboration and workflows. Here, if everything you can get from one system, that means that collaboration will be also improved, communication will be also improved, and there is no problem with the departments, inter-departments, and workflow will be also going very easily and smooth. Okay. Next, at the last one is a standardized business process. That will be more benefits for all the sizes. Means that if all the enhances productivity and efficiency in the process and the systems, so that will be an application of standardized business processes also. So I hope now you all understand about the applications about ERP. Thank you.